So we are making jollof rice. Here is my tomatoes for jollof rice. So here is my onion and garlic and ginger nicely clean. I'm going to go ahead and get this ready. So guys, here is my tomatoes and all the blend. I went ahead to cook it down very well so I don't have to waste time here in this kitchen. And here is my tomato paste. I'm going to add it to the pot right away. First, I'm going to add my onion. So guys, here's my bay leaf, here's my thyme, and here's my curry. I've gone in with it. I don't want to waste time. I'm going to go in with my tomato paste, salt to my tomato paste. I'm going to add this. I'm going to go in and add Maggi seasoning. I'm going to go in with some salt and mix everything in. I'll cover it to cook broth. I'll add my meat broth. Add your meat broth to your choice. So guys, I'm going to add my rice in. We are making a large quantity. I'm going to mix everything in. So guys, I added some little water. Mix it in nicely. Then butter. So guys, I went in with butter. I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for say 15 minutes because this is a big pot. Alright, stay tuned. We'll cover it and let it come to a good cook so nicely. Our jollof rice is ready, guys. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao.